Welcome ninth class students. Lesson number 3 is polynomials, and today we are going to study how to find the factors of quadratic polynomial. So we will study practice set 3.6. In this practice set, question number 1 is find the factors of polynomials given below. Number 1 is 2x square plus x minus 1. Now let's see here. Coefficient of x square is a 2. X is a middle term and it has a coefficient 1. And the constant term is a minus 1. At first multiply these 2 and minus 1. 2 into minus 1. That will be minus 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Now we have to find two numbers such that their multiplication is minus 2 and their sum is a 1. Here the coefficient of middle term, that is x, has a coefficient 1. So we have to find two numbers, their multiplication is minus 2 and sum is a plus 1. So that numbers are 2 and minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is a minus 2 and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2 and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now let's solve this example. 2x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 2x square. Now split up this 1x in the form of 2 and minus 1. 2 and minus 1. So x can be written as 2x minus x minus 1 is equal to, from these two terms we can take 2x common. So in bracket 2x square upon 2x, that will be x, plus 2x upon 2x will be 1. Now from these two terms take minus 1 common. Therefore minus 1 in bracket, minus x upon minus 1 will be x and minus 1 upon minus 1 will be plus 1. Now let's see, in these two terms x plus 1 we take a common factor x plus 1 and we write in another bracket this 2x and this minus 1. In this way factors of 2x square plus x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. In this way we can find the factors of quadratic polynomial. Now example number 2. In this example coefficient of m square is a 2 and the constant term is minus 3. So we multiply 2 and minus 3, then we get minus 6 here. Now we find the factors or numbers such that their multiplication is minus 6 and their sum is 5. So such numbers are 1 and minus 6. 6 and minus 1. Now let's see, 6 into minus 1 is equal to minus 6. Their multiplication is minus 6 and the sum 1 minus 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. That is, their sum is a 5. So we select such numbers, their multiplication is a minus 6 and the sum is a 5. So 6 and minus 1 are the numbers. So that 6 into minus 1 is equal to minus 6 and 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now 2m square plus 5m minus 3 is equal to 2m square plus, now split up this 5m in the form of 6 and minus 1 as 5m can be written as a 6m and this is a minus 1m means minus m minus 3. So is equal to, take 2m common in these two terms, therefore 2m in bracket 2m square upon 2m, that will be m, plus 6m upon 2m, that will be 3. Now take minus 1 common from these two terms, so minus m upon minus 1 is equal to m, minus 3 upon minus 1 is equal to plus 3. So is equal to, let's see here, m plus 3, m plus 3, we can take a common factor m plus 3 and write in another bracket this 2m and this minus 1. So factors of 2m square plus 5m minus 3 is equal to m plus 3 and 2m minus 1. Now example number 3, 12x square plus 61x plus 77. Now multiply this 12 and 77. So this 12 can be written as 4 into 3 and 77 can be written as 11 into 7. Now if we multiply this 4 into 7, that is 28, into 11 into 3 is 33. So there will be two numbers 28 and 33 such that their multiplication is equal to 12 into 77 and their addition 28 plus 33 is equal to 61. So we now solve this example. 12x square plus 61x plus 77 is equal to 12x square. Now split up this 61x as 28x plus 33x. So we write here 28x plus 33x plus 77 is equal to, from these two terms we can take 4x common. So 4x in bracket, 12x square upon 4x is 4 3s are 12, that is 3x plus 28x upon 4x, that will be 4 7s are 28, that is will be 7. Now in these two numbers we take 11 common, so 11 in bracket 33x upon 11 is 3x plus 77 upon 11 is 7 is equal to, take this bracket as a common, so 3x plus 7, and in another bracket we can write 4x plus 11, 4x plus 11. Therefore 12x square plus 61x plus 77 is equal to 3x plus 7 into 4x plus 11 are the factors of the given polynomial. Example number 4, 3y square minus 2y minus 1. Now multiply this coefficient of y square as a 3 into constant term minus 1, that will be minus 3. Now let's find two numbers such that their multiplication is a minus 3 and sum is a minus 2. So numbers are minus 3 and 1. Now minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 3 and minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. So minus 3 and 1 are such numbers, their multiplication is minus 3 and their sum is minus 2, equal to the coefficient of the middle term, that is coefficient of y. Now let's solve 3y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 3y square. This minus 2y can be split up as minus 3y plus 1y, that is we can write here plus y minus 1 is equal to, from these two terms we can take a 3y common in bracket 3y square upon 3y is a y, minus 3y upon 3y will be 1, plus in these two numbers we can take 1 common, so 1 in bracket y minus 1 is equal to y minus 1 is common bracket. In another bracket we can write 3y plus 1, 3y plus 1. Therefore 3y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to y minus 1 into 3y plus 1. Now next example, here coefficient of x square is a root 3 and constant term is a root 3. We multiply root 3 into root 3, it will be 3. Then we want two numbers such that their multiplication is a 3 and sum is a 4. So such numbers are 3 and 1, so that 3 into 1 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now solve this example. Root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3 is equal to root 3x square. Now this 4x can be split up as 3x plus 1x. So 3x plus x plus root 3 is equal to root 3x square. Now this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. This 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 into this x plus root 3. Plus this x plus root 3. Now in these two terms root 3x can be taken as a common, therefore we write root 3x in bracket root 3x square upon root 3x, that will be x, plus root 3 into root 3x upon root 3x, that will remain root 3 here, plus in these two terms we can take 1 as a common, 1 in bracket x plus root 3. So is equal to x plus root 3 is a common bracket. So we write x plus root 3 at first, in another bracket root 3 into x plus 1 plus 1. Therefore root 3 into x square plus 4x plus root 3, this equal to in first bracket x plus root 3 and in second bracket root 3x plus 1. So these are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Now the next example, example number 6, 1 upon 2x square minus 3x plus 4. So we multiply the coefficient of x square as a 1 upon 2 and constant term is a 4. 1 upon 2 into 4, 2 2s are 4, that will get 2. Now split, find two numbers such that their multiplication is a 2 and sum is minus 3. Such numbers are minus 2 and minus 1, so that minus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 2 and minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So minus 2 into minus 1 is equal to plus 2 and minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Now let's solve this example. 1 upon 2x square. Now this minus 3x can be split up as minus 2x minus x and plus 4 plus 4. So is equal to, we take 1 upon 2x common. In these two terms we can take 1 upon 2x common. So here 1 upon 2x common, in bracket 1 upon 2x square upon 1 upon 2x, there will remain x. Now this minus, so we have taken the 1 upon 2x common, and 1 upon 2x upon 1 upon 2, that will be 4, x minus 4. Let's see, 2x upon 1 upon 2x. X will get cancelled. So 2 and 1 upon 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. That equal to 2 into 2 is a 4. So in bracket there will remain 4. Now from these two terms take minus 1 common. So in bracket it will be x minus 4. So x minus 4 is a common bracket. So we write x minus 4 in first bracket, and in second bracket we write 1 upon 2x and this minus 1. Therefore our answer is 1 upon 2x square minus 3x plus 4 is equal to x minus 4 in first bracket and 1 upon 2x minus 1 in second bracket. Question number 2. Factorize the following polynomials. Example number 1. X square minus x bracket square minus 8 in bracket x square minus 8 plus 12. Look this polynomial. In this polynomial, in order to convert it in quadratic form, we have to put x square minus x is equal to m. Here also x square minus x. So we put here x square minus x is equal to m. Therefore given quadratic polynomial will be x square minus x is equal to m square minus 8, and this bracket is m plus 12. Now this polynomial is in quadratic form. Now 12 into coefficient of m square is a 1. Therefore there is a 12 we can split up 12 as their multiplication is a 12 and sum is a minus 8. So such numbers are minus 6 minus 2, minus 6 minus 2, minus 6 into minus 2 is a plus 12, and minus 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 8. So this will be now m square. This minus 8m can be split up as minus 6m minus 2m plus 12. So is equal to, from these two terms take m common, so m in bracket m minus 6. Now in these two terms take minus 2 common, so in bracket m minus 6 is equal to, now m minus 6 take common factor in first bracket and in second bracket m minus 2. Now put m is equal to x square minus x. So is equal to, if we put m is equal to x square minus x, so x square minus x minus 6, and this m is equal to x square minus x square minus x minus 2, and here we write put m is equal to x square minus x is equal to, now find the factors of this bracket and this bracket. In this bracket this number is a minus 6, this number is minus 6, and we have to split up this number minus 6 such that their multiplication is a minus 6 and the sum is a minus 1. So numbers are minus 3 and 2. Minus 3 into 2 is equal to minus 6, and minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. This coefficient of x is minus 1, and split up this minus 2 as this minus 2. We can split up such numbers, their multiplication is minus 2 and addition is minus 1. So numbers are minus 2 and 1, so that minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2, and minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. Coefficient of x is minus 1. So is equal to, we can write x square minus, and now this minus x can be split up as minus 3x minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, and in another bracket x square, this minus x can be split up as minus 2x plus 1x, that is x minus 2. So is equal to in square bracket. Now we take x common from these two terms, therefore x in bracket x minus 3, we can take a 2 common, 2 in bracket x minus 3. Now in another bracket we can take x common from these two terms, therefore x in bracket x minus 2, and we can take plus 1 from this bracket, plus 1 into x minus 2. So is equal to, in bracket we can take this x minus 3 common bracket, and in another bracket we write x plus 2. Now in this bracket we can take x minus 2 as a common, and in another bracket we write x plus 1. Therefore x square minus x bracket square minus 8 in bracket x square minus x plus 12. The factors of this polynomial are x minus 3 in first bracket into x plus 2 in second bracket, x minus 2 in third bracket, and x plus 1 in fourth bracket. Thus we can factorize this type of examples by substituting x square minus x is equal to m. Example number 2, x minus 5 bracket square minus 5x minus 25 minus 24 is equal to x minus 5 bracket square. Take 5 common here, so 5 in bracket x minus 5 minus 24. Now put x minus 5 is equal to m, therefore it will be m square minus 5, x minus 5 is equal to m, minus 5m minus 24. Here we write putting x minus 5 is equal to m. Now let's find the factors of this polynomial. Minus 24 can be split up in two numbers such that their multiplication is a minus 24 and sum is a minus 5. So numbers are minus 8 plus 3, minus 8 into 3 minus 24, minus 8 plus 3 is equal to minus 5. So this is equal to m square. Now this minus 5m can be split up as minus 8m plus 3m, minus 8m plus 3m minus 24 is equal to, now in these two terms we can take m common, so m in bracket m minus 8. Now in these two terms we can take 3 common, so 3 in bracket m minus 8 is equal to m minus 8. We can take a common factor m minus 8 in first bracket, and in second bracket we can write m plus 3. Now put m is equal to x minus 5 here, is equal to, value of m is x minus 5 minus 8. In another bracket value of m is x minus 5 plus 3, and here we write putting m is equal to x minus 5 is equal to x minus 5 minus 8, minus 5 minus 8 will be minus 13, and here minus 5 plus 3 will be minus 2. Therefore x minus 5 bracket square minus in bracket 5x minus 25 minus 24 is equal to, in first bracket, x minus 13 and in second bracket x minus 2 are the factors of given polynomial. Example number 3, x square minus 6x bracket square minus 8 in bracket x square minus 6x plus 8 minus 64. We put x square minus 6x is equal to m. Therefore, it will be x square minus 6x is equal to m. It will be m square minus in bracket x square minus 6x is equal to m plus 8 minus 64. So here we write let x square minus 6x is equal to m. So is equal to m square minus, multiply this minus 8 in bracket, minus 8m minus into minus 8 into plus 8, that will be minus 64, this minus 64. So is equal to m square minus 8m minus 64 and minus 64, that will be 128. Now we split up this 128 into two numbers such that their multiplication is minus 128 and the sum is a minus 8. The numbers are minus 16 plus 8. Minus 16 into 8, it will be minus 128 and minus 16 plus 8 will be minus 8. So is equal to m square. Now split up this minus 8m as minus 16m plus 8m. So minus 16m plus 8m minus 128 is equal to, in these two terms we take m common. So m in bracket m minus 16. And in these two terms we take plus 8 common, so in bracket it will also m minus 16 is equal to, take m minus 16 as a common bracket and in another bracket m plus 8. Now put m is equal to x square minus 6x. Therefore we write here x square minus 6x minus 16. And here also x square minus 6x plus 8. And here we write, put m is equal to x square minus 6x. X square minus 6x. Now write here is equal to x square minus 6x minus 16 in first bracket and x square minus 6x plus 8 in second bracket. Now split up this minus 16 into two numbers, minus 16 into two numbers, such that their multiplication is minus 16 and sum is a minus 6. So numbers are minus 8 and 2. Let's see, minus 8 into 2 minus 16 and minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. Now split up this number 8 into numbers such that their multiplication is a 8 and sum is a minus 6. So the numbers are minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 into minus 2 will be plus 8 and minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. So is equal to, we write x square, we split up this minus 6x as minus 8x plus 2x minus 16, and in another bracket x square minus 6x we can split up as minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. is equal to, we write the bracket, in these two terms we can take x common, so in bracket it will be x minus 8. In these two terms we take a plus 2 common, in bracket it will be x minus 8. Now in next bracket, in these two terms we take x common, so in bracket it will be x minus 4. So in these two terms we take minus 2 common, in bracket it will be x minus 4 is equal to, now this bracket is a common, so we write x minus 8 in first bracket and in second bracket x plus 2. Now in another bracket this x minus 4 is a common bracket and we write in another bracket x minus 2. So is equal to x minus 8 x plus 2 into x minus 4 into x minus 2. Therefore factors of x square minus 6x bracket square minus 8 in bracket x square minus 6x plus 8 minus 64 is equal to x minus 8 into x plus 2 into x minus 4 into x minus 2 are the factors of given polynomial. Example number 4, x square minus 2x plus 3 into x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 35. Now let's put x square minus 2x and this x square minus 2x is equal to m. Therefore we have m plus 3 into, put here m plus 5 minus 35, and here we write let x square minus 2x is equal to m is equal to, now multiply these two brackets, so m into this bracket m plus 5 plus 3 into this bracket m plus 5 minus 35 is equal to m into m square plus m into 5 5m plus 3 into m 3m plus 3 into 5 is 15 minus 35 is equal to m square plus 5m plus 3m, that will be 8m minus 20. 15 minus 35 will be minus 20. So is equal to, now we have to find the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Now this minus 20 number we can split up such that we can find two numbers such that their multiplication is a minus 20 and their sum is a plus 8. So 10 into minus 2 is equal to minus 20 and 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. So is equal to m square plus 10m minus 2m minus 20 is equal to m square. We take m common in these two terms, therefore in bracket m plus 10 we can take minus 2 common in these two terms, so in bracket it will be m plus 10. So is equal to m plus 10 in first bracket and m minus 2 in second bracket. Now put value of m as a x square minus 2x. So put m is equal to x square minus 2x plus 10, and in another bracket also x square minus 2x minus 2, and here we write put m is equal to x square minus 2x. Now we can factorize this further, therefore this is our last answer. Therefore we write here the answer as x square minus 2x plus 3 into x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 35 is equal to, in first bracket, x square minus 2x plus 10, and in second bracket x square minus 2x minus 2.